4 features you probably should know about before buying this, the Infinix Hot 30i. Just because if it's a deal breaker for you, you want to consider other options. But if it's not, then definitely check out my video on the Infinix Hot 30i review and link in the description below. Number 1, the Infinix Hot 30i has a huge 5000 mAh battery. It has 18-watt fast charging on a USB-C, but it still takes more than 2 hours to charge, which is actually very slow for some people. This is the default phone app that actually comes with the phone, the Infinix Hot 30i. Now it actually allows you to record your calls, but the problem is when you go play the recordings, the only voice you hear is yours, not the other person's voice on the other end. And the only way to actually get around it is to actually record your phone when you're actually on loudspeaker. Now most people don't like calling on loudspeaker, so that may be an issue for you, because you can't actually record on the normal phone. The other thing about the Infinix Hot 30i is this display. Now this is a really nice display. It's 500 nits. It supports 60 and 90 Hz refresh rate. Now that's a good thing, but sometimes when you actually choose 90 Hz manually, select 90 Hz, you will find that in some occasions it actually adjusts itself back to 60 Hz, which is actually less smoother than 90 Hz on its own, even though you actually preferred 90 Hz. It also has the option to automatically adjust itself, but when you choose manually 90 Hz, you'll find that it always defaults back to 60 Hz at some occasions, at some points. But if none of this is a deal breaker for you, check the link in the description below for the full review of the Infinix Hot 30i. My name is Kaingo. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel.